Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I want us to start off with a chart on our screen. This is Euro USD, 4 hours time frame. On this chart so far, we've been looking at a possible downtrend. We've had a resistance here. We had a resistance here. We had another resistance here. As we're speaking right now, the price is pulling back to the upside. So as it is right now, this is actually an ideal place to look for a sell from. If the price can move up and touch 1.07965, this level here, then this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we are just waiting to see what happens. If the price should give us a good sell signal from around the line which I've just drawn, which is this one, then this should be the best place to look for a sell from. If you pick a sell there, but the price continues to go upwards, the next place you want to look for a sell from is this zone. If it continues higher, the next place is this one. Or if it continues even higher, then the next place to look for a sell from is this one here. But if the price ascends above, first of all, if it ascends above this zone, then it could be a sign that we may see a continuation much higher, even possibly a break above this line. So if the price goes above this level and you see a buy signal, you're supposed to pick a long position, expecting that the buyers are going to continue to push us upwards, at least up to this level. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even higher. And this is a good place to sell from. If you pick a sell there, hold on to that sell position, expecting the sellers to push us downwards up to this zone. If that is broken, if this zone is broken, then expect the price to continue downwards up to the next level, which is this one, and this is 1.04544. So a good place to sell from up to this point. If this is broken, then the next place to sell from is below this zone up to this zone here. So that's my opinion on this chart. Let's take GBPUSD. On the GBPUSD so far, we have price around a very good resistance zone. You can see this is a very ideal resistance zone. The price has not been successful in breaking below it. So while we don't see a clear breakout and close below this line, 1.24990, while you don't see a clear close below this line here, this remains to be a good place to look for a buy from. We actually expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this zone here. If that is broken, then we want to see a clear breakout above 1.28306. If this happens, then that will be the sign that we're now extending even to the higher side. So in case the price breaks above this line, expect it to continue upwards towards the next level, which is 1.31395. So if the price goes above this line, expect it to proceed upwards up to the next level. If the price ascends above this line, then expect it to continue even higher. So that's my opinion on this chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is I want us to look at the NZDUSD. So I want us to look at NZDUSD. So let me load it on my screen. We have it here. Before I say anything on NZDUSD, what I have to say is if you are trading NZDUSD, ensure you are seeing the same signal on AUDUSD. These two currency pairs, they are positively correlated. So whenever there's a signal on this one, there is highly likely going to be a signal on the other one. So keep looking for the same thing on both of them. Either if there is a sell on one, ensure you look for a sell on the other one. If there is a buy on one, ensure you look for a buy on the other one. So as it is now, we have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a good resistance here, and we have a very good support zone here. So as it is right now, basically, we are continuing to the upper side. We do expect that the price may likely extend even higher. So after a breakout above this red zone, we expect it to proceed upwards towards the next zone, which is this one. If this zone is broken, then the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone is the one we have at the very top. Alternatively, after you pick a sell here, you can wait for price to move down up to this point so that you can pick a buy position. If this buy fails, then we do expect a break and a close below this line here. So technically speaking, we are inside a very good sell zone, this one here. In case the price does not ascend and close above this line, then we are going to be focusing on sell positions within this zone here. So that's my opinion on NZDUSD. Let's check lesser time frames. Yeah, so on the 30-minute time frame, we have a very good resistance here. We have a very good support. We have a very good support. So we have a support, and we have a resistance. So if the price touches this lower blue zone, this is actually a good place to look for a buy from, or you can wait and buy it here, or you may as well wait and buy a break above this zone here. So you can pick a sell. If the price bounces from this point, you can pick a sell position towards this point. If that happens, then expect it to extend even lower towards the next level, which is this one here. Also, my next chart is AUDUSD. This is downwards. We have a very good downtrend, as you can see. We have several resistance zones. The first one, the second one, and this one here. So as it is now, as long as the price is held within this red zone or this zone here, we do expect that the sellers are going to continue to push us downwards up to this zone. If this zone is broken, then we will expect the price to extend even lower. So as it is right now, we will be looking for sell positions, expecting that the sellers are going to push us downwards up to this zone. But first, the price needs to either hit this zone or hit this zone or hit the other one we have at the very top. So basically, that should be my opinion on those instruments. We're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.